Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be learning about how to drape a Rajarani style of sari. Royalty has been in the blood of Indians and it has always reflected through their style. Today I'm wearing the sari in a Rajarani style of drape. Let me show you. This is the Rajarani drape, exactly how Maharanis would wear back in the era. And this drape looks very beautiful on a heavy embellished sari that has a beautiful work, like you can see one over here. This drape is perfect for all those occasions where you want to be subtle and yet want to add all the drama that is required. So let's talk about how to drape the sari. Start with wearing the sari normally. Make pleats in the front. Now instead of doing pallu around your shoulders, take it from behind your right shoulder. For the remaining part of the pallu, make pleats and tuck one corner of it on your left shoulder. There you go. This pallu gives a very beautiful look from the front and makes you get the attention you deserve. And also this drape is very comfortable and hassle-free. I really hope you liked this video and let me know in the comment section, are you going to try this drape and which other drape you would want us to experiment through. Subscribe to Cbazaar for more such updates.